Configuring custom ports in IncrediMail. This tutorial assumes you've already launched IncrediMail. To configure custom ports for your email account, first click the Tools tab. Then click Email Accounts. With the new account selected here, click the Properties button. Then click the Advanced tab. This is where your email accounts server port numbers are listed and available for you to change. Let's assume we need to change our port numbers to use SSL connections. Click here to require a secure SSL connection for the outgoing server. Be sure to enter 465 for the secure port number. Then check here to enable SSL for the incoming server. Note that by doing so, the port number changed to 993, the default email port for SSL. Click OK. Then click Close. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to configure custom ports in IncrediMail.